Good morning. It's Gail with Gail Southern Living. As you can tell, the birds are singing. I just got through watering the garden. And these are my evil olive tomatoes that I received from the IBG seed swap, I think last year, or maybe this year. Anyway, as I was watering, I noticed that there was this yellow, yucky looking stuff that looks kind of like scrambled eggs or something. And this is called, the unofficial term that they call it is dog vomit slime mold. But there's an official name which I will put up on the screen for you because I don't remember it right now, but I'll look it up. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me take a picture of this real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so what do you do when you get the dog vomit slime mold? It can cause a little bit of problems with your plants. So what you do is you just get it, put it in a plastic sack or somewhere. Gonna need to wipe off that stem. I got a little bit on the stem. But basically you just discard of it and then you're perfectly fine after that. So that's it. I just wanted to share this. This is not my first time. It's probably like my third or fourth time. It is caused from when you have wood in your mulch and then it gets too wet. That's how it's caused. But I'm just going to scoop this out and put it in the dumpster, and then the plant will be perfectly fine and all is good. So if you ever see this, you'll know what to do. It's pretty darn simple. You just scoop it up and throw it out. I hope this is helpful to someone. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye, everybody. Happy gardening.